Hi, here's how to market your freelance business in 5 simple steps. 1. Get your website working for you. Think of your website as your shop window to the world. It's often the first stop for anyone wanting to find out more about your business. 2. Start blogging. Think of your blog as a conversation with your audience. Get clear on the purpose for each post. Aim to inform, engage, and entertain by sharing helpful tips and advice. Remember to include a strong call to action somewhere interested readers can go if they like to know more. 3. Email marketing. To help you get the tone right, think of your email marketing as a direct conversation with a client and make sure it sounds like you. 4. Build your network. Keep an open mind when you're talking to someone who doesn't appear to be a potential client. You never know who they are connected to. 5. Use social media. Don't let it use you. Instead of trying to conquer all platforms, pick 1 or 2 where your target clients hang out and focus your attention there. Resist the temptation to check for updates every 2 minutes and turn off those notifications. Your brain will thank you for it. Did you find this content useful? Follow for more.